Hi guys and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of a dimmable light which can be used for photography or videography or for your blogging. The brand is Neewer. So let's start by opening the box. I have this the box. It came from Amazon. So this. And let's open it. Here's what's in the box. So 2 pieces of LED light. Yep, this is a LED light, and this already have a diffuser, and the temperature is a color temp is 5600. This is a USB powered light which has a control here. Yeah, this is dimmable, so there's an up and down, and in the middle is on and off. These are additional filters, like they have blue, 2 yellow, so 2 pieces per color for each light, and also red. Okay, and what else? The tripod. Let's open it. 2 pieces of this. Everything comes in a pair, and this can also be used this way, like that. Quality, this is made of plastic. Something like a selfie stick. Where you can attach that tripod here, and they have this what's this? Mount extension. Okay. So if you want it like that, or move it downwards, that, and yep. This is powered by USB 5V, or you can use your cell phone charger. Try to turn this on using my power bank. So I have a power bank. This is 10,000 milliampere, I think. Yeah, this will work. Okay, let's see. I'll turn this on with the power on here in the middle. That's nice. Wow. Okay, let's try to dim it a bit up to the lowest, and 1 level, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to 10. Since this is USB powered, just bring 2 pair of this. You'll be good to go for outdoor shooting. Like this is a second light. Okay, I use the same power bank, and I'm sure this will draw a lot of power. So if you want, you can buy a power bank with higher capacity. Turn this on. Oops. What happened to the other one? Oh. So it seems it won't work at the same time. Good to know. Let's see. How about if I dim it a bit? And okay. So it still works with the lower. Oh, maybe because this is in the highest mode or setting, so it means it's drawing a lot of power when I inserted this one. Let's see. Oh no. So it's better to use separate power bank if you want to use both for photography or outside. If you intended to use this outside, it's better to use two power bank, or if you have your cell phone charger bricks, and you can use it here. So turn it off again. Let's do some experiments. The other one is on the highest setting, and let's try to dim it like setting 8, and then turn this on. Okay, 8 and 10, they work both. Yeah. Or let's try this to the maximum level and turn this on. See, it turned off. And again, let's try it. So this is the highest level or setting when you turn it on. And what will I do? I decrease this with one level. Okay, and then turn this on. Won't work. Again, let's try level 8. Okay, lower it down by 2 notch. So 8 and turn this on. Okay, 8 and 10. If you want to use one power bank, you can use it at the same time, but make sure the other one is set to number 8 or level 8 of setting, and then turn the other one on. That way you can use both at the same time. So let's try. This is level 8. I'll try to increase and see what will happen. See, it turned off. So the other one is 9, and the other one is 8, level 8. The other one is to the maximum brightness, level 10. Okay, nice experiment. Using a power bank that has a 10,000 milliampere capacity. I don't know if you will have if you have 20,000 or the highest or higher capacity of power bank, but someday I will try to experiment with that when I buy a new one. Another testing for the last try. I'll turn this on first, and for sure this will be at the maximum level right away when you turn this on. And before you turn this on, decrease the setting twice, like level 8, 1, 2, and then that's the time you can turn this on. I can use both, and that's nice for vlogging. That's the light source that I have for this vlog. That's the ring light, and that one is also what? This is just a gift from my brother-in-law, and I like it much. I like it. And this is also like the light's also changeable like that, and you can also decrease or increase or in combination or that way. With this new light source that I have, at least it will level up my vlogging or recording. Yep, so very much satisfied with my purchase, and yeah, I like it and I recommend it. For the quality, of course, it's not like those expensive dimmable light. For the function, it works, and yeah, it's affordable. And yeah, look, it's nice. You can extend. For those who are in budget for looking for an affordable light, look for a Neewer brand, Neewer, Neewer brand. This is sold by pair and it's around 60 Canadian dollars. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it to everyone whom you think needs a pair of dimmable light.